How to enable or disable remote camera control on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to Blackmagic Cam application. In Blackmagic Cam homepage, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap settings. In settings, scroll down and go to remote camera control section. And you can see here the remote camera control. And the remote camera control is disabled. So if you want to enable this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this enable, you can use this phone as a controller. You can set into controller or remote camera. So I use the controller. And also you can change the camera name. So by tap this. So for my example, Chad, and tap save to change. And also you can change the remote passcode if have remote passcode. And also you can turn on or enable the sync read across cameras by switching on the switch button on the right side of this. And also the hide remote camera video feed, you can turn on the switch button on the right side. And the dim remote cameras on record, you can turn on or enable this dim remote camera on record. So if the remote camera control is enabled. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled the remote camera control on Blackmagic camera application. And if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled remote camera control on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.